Hi, my name is Juan. Welcome to my channel. On this video, I will be outlining 3 different supplements that you need to consider in order to have good bone health. These nutrients are essential for longevity. Just keep in mind, I'm not a doctor. I'm just someone that loves health and fitness and all that stuff. So always consult your doctor before doing anything, and this is just a comprehensive guide to give you a rough estimate of what you need to be doing day to day to keep your bones healthy. So the first nutrient you have to consider in order to have good bone health is vitamin D. Vitamin D does a lot of good things for your body, but in terms of bone health, it helps you absorb calcium into your bones. It regularly has a half-life of around 14 days, so it's in and out of your system in about 28 days. The best way to take it would be a daily dose. So this is what I found online: 400 IUs for children 12 months, and then 600 IUs for people 1-year-olds to 70-year-olds, and 800 IUs for people 70 and older. Okay, remember guys, always consult your doctor. The best way to find out how much vitamin D you should be consuming is by taking a blood test and making sure your levels are not too high or too low, and then you can experiment with certain amounts to make sure, and then test your blood levels and consult your doctor before doing this, and make sure your doctor tells you, okay, your blood levels should be around this much, and that's what you should go by if you want to go that route. But the easier route is just to stick to the guidelines that just showed, but always consult your doctor and make sure that's good for them, works with them and works for you. So remember that. So the other nutrient you should be taking in is vitamin K. This vitamin helps keep calcium inside your bones, and it's very essential for good bone health. Again, these dosages are dosages I found online. According to my sources, 19 micrograms for women 19 and older, and then 120 micrograms for men. That's for vitamin K. The third nutrient you have to consider in order to have good bone health is vitamin A. Vitamin A helps with a lot of things like eye health and even the immune system. But with vitamin A, you have to be very careful because it's very easy to overdose on vitamin A, and it could lead to harmful side effects. So make sure, as always, consult your doctor for the right recommendation on this vitamin especially. There was a study done, and it showed that if you take too much vitamin A, it increases your chances of a bone fracture. From what I understand is vitamin A is an antagonist to vitamin D. So the more vitamin you take, if you take way too much vitamin A, it'll negate some of the effects of vitamin D, and that will cause your body to expel calcium and could lead to kidney and liver damage. So yeah, be very careful. But then there was another study done that someone took too little vitamin A, and that reduced bone density, so therefore weaker bones. So the lesson you gotta learn is that you have to take vitamin D in just the right amounts. Not too little, not too much. Just the right amount for you. So now the recommended dosages I found online were 3,000 IUs for man and 2,330 IUs for woman. But always check with your doctor. So I'm gonna list out a bunch of different foods that contain vitamin A and about the daily percentage in per serving, and this will give you like a quick it'll give you a quick guide of like what to take in and what to like ease back on, because maybe you're eating too much of these things. And as I said, some people some people may be eating a lot of vitamin A through their diet, and they may be like, oh, I'm gonna drink milk, a lot of milk, and it has a lot of calcium, right? But it also has vitamin A, and if you already consumed a lot of vitamin A with other things like lamb liver or cod liver oil or like butter and stuff like that, maybe easing back on the milk would be a good idea, because it could potentially make your bones weaker, because vitamin A, too much vitamin A negates some of the effects of vitamin D, and it'll cause you to have higher chances of a fractured bone. So yeah, things to consider. And the bonus is a bonus tip is to do some weight training. Weight training will make your bones more stronger over time. And yep, so thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, subscribe for more content like this, and see you guys next time. Peace.